Hello, hi. Welcome back to Hit Kitchen channel. Alright, today we will explain about our coffee grinder machine and one single coffee maker machine. Alright, so today I will show you how to make the latte coffee. Alright, okay, so firstly for the grinder machine, you need to put the coffee in here. And then you will use start and on the machine. Okay, so you can see here we need to compress the coffee. So we use something like this. Alright, so the coffee is that. Okay, now we put the holder on the coffee maker. Alright, so next one, we need our milk. Okay, we put around 60 hoosh milk. Okay, right. So how to make the coffee? Okay, this is the middle. So imagine that have the three part. So you put the hose one of the part. Okay, so I put it here. Alright. Okay. Now open the steamer. Okay, so you can see our milk is done. Okay, right. So over here I use the single dose, so I need to press 1 cup. Okay, come over here. Alright, so I push the 1 cup. Okay, if you use the double dose, you need to push the 2 cup. Okay, so 2 cup is means the coffee is separate to 2 cups. Alright, so push it down and we will see our coffee. Okay, so coffee is done here. Right, okay, so our coffee is done. Okay, so now we make a coffee. Okay, make sure your cup is about 15 degree. Okay, then so okay, so put our milk in the middle. Okay, So done for our latte. Okay, so this is the beginner for latte. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, so done for our latte. Okay, so if you guys have a question or you want to ask us about our more detail about our coffee maker, you guys can contact us or you can visit our website at Peak Kitchen Equipment. Okay, alright, so see you again.